So isa sa mga main attractions sila dito sa farm is yung kanilang mga magagandang barns, syempre yung kanilang mga alagang hayop, and syempre nakahirit tayo ng isang pwedeng mailuto. So we have here yung ating lamb. We will be doing braised lamb dish. When you're braising, of course, kailangan mo ng oil to sear yung ating meat. And for that, I will be rendering yung ating bacon for the bacon fat na lumabas. But this is optional. If you don't want to use pork in your dish, you can definitely opt to use any other oil na ginagamit nyo for cooking. I would personally suggest using coconut or olive oil kung meron kayong access. We will be rendering yung fat ng ating bacon on cold pot. Okay? So mas maganda kasi mas lalabas yung mantika nito tsaka katas nito if we will be starting sa malamig na pan. So habang nire-render natin yung taba ng ating bacon, i-cut lang natin ito portions yung ating leg ng lamb. So yan na, lumabas na yung oil ng ating bacon. So we'll be just adding yung ating tomatoes, carrots, onions, and yung ating celery. And then, yung ating tomato paste. So habang nagsasama-sama yung ating miripwa at yung tomatoes natin and tomato paste, ilalagay na natin yung ating meat together with our rosemary. And of course, season na natin yan ng salt and pepper. So okay na ako dun sa medyo browning na nangyari dun sa ating meat together with the aromatics and miripwa na nilagay natin. It's time to add yung ating red wine. So i-reduce lang natin yung ating red wine by about almost half. And then lalagyan na natin yung ating stock. Then pwede na natin siyang i-pressure cooker.